Friends, this is Satish Kamath speaking to you on a subject, what is a project? All of us, we want to manage our projects effectively, but before that we need to know what is a project. And I will just read out to you, I have written a definition here. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or a result. Now we are going to go into the details of this definition by giving lot of examples. First, let us understand towards end. Let us see what is the outcome of a project. The outcome of the project is either a product or a service or a result. Give some examples and you have to guess what the output of this project will be. My project is to develop a small car called Maruti 800. So now guess what will it result? Will it result into product or a service or a result? And obviously you guessed it rightly, it will result in a product. So this is the example which I gave you, how the project results into a product. I am going to implement a banking software. The software developed for working of the bank. So this is a software developed and I am going to implement this into a bank called IDBI. So what this project will result? My implementing banking software in IDBI, and you guess rightly, that will result into a service, because it's not that 1 kg of banking software I have given. So product is something which you can touch, which you can see physically, and is a physical entity, whereas the service is we are giving service to some people whose work will be easier. Now let me give you an example of third project. Suppose I have been deputed by the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai as a special officer on duty to eradicate malaria from Mumbai. Now what this project will result into? This project will result into service, because this project will result into a result, because what is important is whether the malaria has been eradicated from Mumbai or not. Now how I will check that? Say I will have a success criteria. Like I have 37 hospitals in Mumbai, and if for the 1 year period not a single patient of malaria is reported in any of these 37 hospitals, then I will say that the this project has resulted in a good result, that Mumbai is free from malaria. Okay, so we have seen the 3 different types of outputs of the project. Friends, this is Satish Kamath from Effective Project Management Academy. Many people want to do PMP trainings and they would like to know same questions, different people, and instead of every individual calling again and again on different days, what we have done is we conduct 1 hour introductory session for knowing what we cover in PMP. So in this, please join these 1 hour sessions and you will come to know what is PMP, what is expected while studying PMP, or what are the requirements from PMI side, how to apply for PMP, and all this you will know in real time, because this is a real time 1 hour session for letting you know what is PMP, how to study, what benefits are there from PMP, how you will gain from PMP, how much does it cost for you, and how much time you need to spend for this. And also, of course, I will be telling you some simple tips for passing PMP. So this is what is the intention of this 1 hour session. Please join today on the following, call us on the following number.